Hi everyone, it's me Jennifer with Froggywentaknitting, and today I have for you my stitch marker advent done by Lee'ann. It's pretty awesome. I really am enjoying this, and I've got my J3 out, and I will remind you what I got for days 1 and 2. So the silver hearts was day 1 and the white heart was day 2. And this is the little puffy soft heart with the ring and the little clips to put them all on. So let's go ahead and open up day 3. She's filled this with all this little confetti stuff. It's so cute. I'm like finding it all over. And she really wrapped these well. Oh, this is so pretty. And here is the 3rd stitch marker. And it says Loves. And I got lever backs because I like lobster claw, but I really like the lever backs a lot more. And I'll show you. That's how it opens up. I really like that. It says love. They're so adorable. So let me go ahead and I will put that on the ring. So here are days 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it has a heart on the back. This is love on the front and a heart on the back. So that's really cool. That's neat. So stay tuned tomorrow for day 4. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, I'll be yarning. Bye now.